Good morning, friends from Sarchu. Look at this place. Altitude 4250 or so. That was our room for the night. So you can see a whole bunch more bikers showed up. Almost everyone else is going to Leh. I'm the only one going south to Manali. Coffee in hand. I don't even have my red jacket on. Man, this place is gorgeous. Hold on. You gotta see that. Wait, let me zoom in. Not on the sign, but look at those gorgeous mountains. Wow. And we are surrounded by mountains, as often is the case. And yes, so I learned from the folks that came. Hold on. Is that better? I learned from the folks that came from Manali. There's another high pass today. Oh my God. We have so many high passes. But everyone else, yes, everyone else is local from India somewhere. They also have YouTube channels. Check it out. You can follow them along. He's got a KTM, couple Yamaha R15s, many Himalayans. There's my Himalayan. So yes, we are going to continue the road from Leh to Manali today. Should be good. So, good morning. See you soon. It's 9:45 a.m. Almost everyone's ready. Well, I'm ready. These guys look pretty ready. Nice leisurely morning. It's finally not super cold. I don't even have my other jacket on. I hear the bike starting. I think it's time to go. It's 9:50 a.m. 105 kilometers to Keelong, which is where we're going to get some petrol. And 170 or so to Manali. Bye-bye. With a pass along the way. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Met a bunch of nice people. I mean, adventure motorbikers, you know, they're nice people. Wow, what a view to start the day, guys and ladies. Wow. We didn't start early as usual because it's very cold in the mornings as usual, and it's still very cold even though it's 10 a.m. But again, the idea is to try to time the high altitude passes kind of midday. We're going to be a little early probably today. We had some surprises yesterday. Beautiful landscape, random water crossings, and let's see what surprises we get to today. There's a really cool canyon or in the middle with a tiny little river in the middle of. I wish we could get a better view of it. And we are Baralacha La top altitude in meters this time, 4850. Wow, crazy. Hold on, let's go right here. Let me flip the camera. Wow. Unbelievable. And I really love that feature there as well. It's so cool. Oh, there's the bike. Wait, where is it? There it is. Wow. Baralacha La top. Wow. It's actually very cold when you're riding because of the wind, but when you stop, the sun is incredible. My hands were freezing, but now they're actually warming up just in a few minutes of chilling, stopping. This might be the last stop on this ride? I don't know. Spectacular. Wow. Now we're starting our descent, and well, as I've been saying, once we go over a high pass, the other side's usually equally spectacular. And look at this. Wow. Look at these guys enjoying the snow. While we wait for these guys to go around, look at this view. Man, it's unreal. Unreal. Okay, we can go now. There's even a lake up here. What in the world? Wow, it's pretty. So green. And of course, good spot for selfies and pictures. You get a nice clear view of this side now with mountains all the way to the distance. Love the scale that you can see here. Wow. They're huge. Just gigantic mountains. Love this view. Hello. Wow. Amazing. Oh, not sure what everyone's waiting for. There's a car moving slowly and a whole bunch of cars on the other side and trucks. It looks okay to me. I don't know. Let me investigate. Alright, everyone else seems to be moving just fine. Even that little Suzuki. Just that other Honda or Hyundai, I'm not sure what it was. The guy was really apprehensive. Oh man, that's... Oh no! Oh, his wheel's spinning. Oh no. I may have spoken too soon. He's coming. He's coming. Go, brother. Some of these trucks are really bouncing sideways. Look at this thing. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, this guy's really stuck. They're literally pushing or trying to manually help this truck go. Wow. A lot of screaming, but as long as we can get out of here. It's getting cold. Wow. Well, without further ado, it looks like the bikes are going to try to cross very slowly. This truck, I heard, is stuck. Oh wow, this is not easy. Wow. Okay. Slowly. Where's this guy moving? Okay. What a mess. And maybe we can make it around this guy. What a nightmare. Let's see. Is it better this way? Okay, yeah, easy. Let's get out of this mess, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, look at all these vehicles still stuck here. Oh my goodness. It's good to be on a bike for a change in such tight spaces. We are back to enjoying beautiful Manali Leh Road. We've been going down for the last few minutes and still going down actually. What an insane view. Very different than what we've been seeing for the last few weeks. A lot more greenery. Still a very dramatic valley. Insane mountains in the distance. Just stopped by to have a snack. And, oh look! What is this place? Look at this place. Cute bridge. Insane mountains in the distance there. And it just continues around. What is this? What is this place? Crazy. Just crazy. Manali Leh Highway, friends. Manali Leh Highway. The river's a bit stronger here. It's been pretty thin in other areas. Picture time. Oh my god, these guys are in the middle of the street. Wow, and still gorgeous mountains everywhere. After spending so much time in incredible Ladakh, I was really worried that what else could possibly match such insanely gorgeous nature. And here we are. I can't say if it matches or whatever, but it's certainly breathtaking in a completely different way. And it's a nice change. Wow, check out this super cute village across the canyon, I suppose. My goodness, it looks fake. There's so many cute villages here, and the river's way down there. Way down there. Check out that road, it just goes up and up. I have no idea where. There's a few houses and things up there, but wow, that'll be one heck of a road to go up and down. But the view here is so ridiculous. And the river looks so nice now, so nice and green. Absolutely amazing. We are in Keelong. We're looking for petrol right now. Lots of restaurants. It's definitely set in a ridiculously gorgeous place. But right now, too many buildings to see it. So we will find petrol, maybe some food, and then off to Manali, friends. It's like 2:36 in the afternoon, and those trees look amazing. The mountain looks amazing. It says about 62 kilometers to Manali, and well, Manali Leh Road, my friends, does not give up. Wow, when is this craziness gonna end? So amazing. Wow. The views continue, my dear friends. Wow. Something else. Look at these beautiful trees. Oh my god. We have reached a very interesting Atal tunnel. I've heard about this. I guess it's like a 10-kilometer tunnel or something like this. And somebody is asleep at the wheel. Here we are, wow. Again, I've heard it's a 10-kilometer tunnel, but I'm not sure. And there it is. It's quite a nice tunnel, well lit. Wow. And we're at the end. Wow, that was a seriously long tunnel. Oh my god. Yes, friends, we are still on the same road. And as we continue to go down, now we have enormous trees and a complete new landscape. Look at that, the whole mountainside full of trees, as far as the eye can see. It's exactly 4 o'clock and I just saw the Welcome to Manali sign, ladies and gentlemen. Now, I know there's a Manali and an old Manali. I don't really know too much more about that. But here we are. I'll probably stop somewhere, read up a little bit about Manali, because on the way here, we had no network, so I couldn't do any research. It's only 4 o'clock, got plenty of time. Finally, 4 p.m. on the second day, we're in Manali. Just entered Old Manali, and oh my goodness, can you say touristic? So, man, this place is packed. I like that there's not a big street here. It's a little street, so not super heavy traffic or trucks. Tons of places to eat. Oh my goodness. So far, I actually like it. I'll look around a bit and hopefully find a place soon.